Hello again, my friends, YouTubers. This is Felix again, bringing you a quick review of my Pioneer cassette deck CTF 750. This is the line of a blue line. I think I showed it before with the whole stereo, but just making this quick video for the cassette alone. And it's just pretty nice. It looks pretty good. It's a silver face with the blue screen. Tags along with the amplifier SA 8800 and 9800. It's just pretty nice with the wooden case on it. I'll be testing it with probably hit with copyright because what else do you have on cassette other than just regular music? So I recorded some music from another cassette that I have. I think I made a video, the C2 F1250 that I did, but I just wanted to just show this one real quick and show you guys this beauty. It's been I bought this a long time ago and I had it for like over a year in storage. Allegedly, when I bought it, this guy told me that the deck was fine, nothing wrong with it. I guess that, because I didn't really even bother to open it or check it out when I got it. I just pretty much got it out of the box, turn it on, check power, yada, yada, yada. But make a long story short, the belts were broken or consumed. It was like all gooey. This particular model is very difficult to change the belts on, rubber belts. So I ordered the belts from this guy that I met on Audio Karma, and he sent instructions and everything. But to be honest, like if you check on YouTube, yeah, I don't think that you will find videos showing how to replace the belt on this particular model. I found a CTF 700. It looks kind of the same, but it's different. So this one, you actually have to remove the entire face plate in order to change the belts. I had a similar experience replacing the belts for the CTF 1250. And he helped me out pretty good when I try to change the belts for this guy. So after I changed it and you play an old cassette on it, I realized that the sound on this thing is fantastic. I mean, it's just great. So I'm gonna play a little music on it. So technically, it looks pretty clean and decent. Nothing really much going on. It's very nice though. So let me show you real quick. It looks like this is the output button on the right, and then they have the input, Dolby noise reduction, and then it has the record mute. But the only thing that with this particular record mute button is you have to hold it, because it's like it won't stay down. That is designed that way. This deck I like because it has like an auto reverse. You have to do it over here. This is for the counter, but you can play it with the auto reverse on these buttons over here. It's pretty cool. So it will reverse the cassette automatically for you, or change rather direction. If you look at like, go reverse or forward. So you can just change if you press this button over here, it goes like back or forth. So let me turn it on and show you guys how it looks like. So this is the deck. If you look at it's pointing in blue right now to forward, but you can change the direction over here, like it goes like that way or that way. So it's pretty cool. Or you can do it in both directions, like when it ends the tape, it will switch automatically to the other direction. So it's really, really nice. That was back in the days when they didn't have the auto reverse, I guess. So this you can change direction just by pressing this direction thing over here. So it's pretty neat. And it has the meter bar is pretty nice. So I mean, this is like pretty much nothing really to it. This will open or close the cover. When you have the cassette out, this will like kind of close it, so you can take the cassette out. And then this is supposed to close. So the cover, I'm sorry, there you go. So it has a cover, so you can close the cover right there, okay, and open. It's called a dust cover, so the dust it will keep it out of the heads, which you can clean with the Q-tips and regular alcohol. Make sure that the power is off. I recommend that you do that, like, you know, at least once or twice a week. If you use the cassette often, that is going to give you a very good sound. But if you're not using the deck and the cassette is not on, make sure that you have this on so the dust will not go into the head. So you just put it down, put the head first, and that's basically it. So now you play. So again, I mean, this is the tape deck. Look at the meter going on, the outputs here, so you can get, like, you know, higher or lower output on the tape once it's recorded. This is for the, this is for the input. This is how much when you record, and I recommend that you put it on record, play and pause, of course, and then you play with the input to make sure that the input that you're getting from the other source is not too high, because then it's going to distort on the music. But this is pretty much like a volume control, the output, how much is coming out of the deck. I'm playing it with my amplifier, Pioneer SA8800. So this is how it sounds. Fast forward, see what it got. I don't know what I got on that cassette. I have a bunch of music and stuff. I don't know, but let's see. But it sounds pretty good to be a cassette. I mean, honestly, better than a CD, to be honest. So this is fast forward. Let me see if he has any other song. Let's see. So I guess this is Michael Jackson entirely. But anyway, so I can't play too much music because anyway, it's gonna get hit with the copyright. But again, it was a short video of the CTF 750. I love this deck. It's about like 15 pounds. It's pretty heavy. It's well built. It has a whole bunch of very good parts inside, and again, the belt is very difficult to replace. I was about to get another one, and because it really took me a long time to replace those belts, but I will see if I can, I guess on the next video, show you the inners that you can see on some videos on YouTube. But they don't show you how to replace the belt on this particular model. So unfortunately, that is not something that you will find easily on YouTube. I think I only found one video, and the guy wanted like a subscription of some sort for his channel. I say you got a subscription, like paid subscriptions rather. I said, like, why would I want to pay for that? So,
If you fall, I will get you up. We'll be waiting, time after time. Time after time. Time after time.
the sound is amazing. It's just fantastic. To be that old, I mean, from the 70s, and very old cassette. I think, is really, really nice. So let me know what you think, guys. And then, if you have any questions, let me know. I am trying to upload more videos. I'll try to do a video of a Yamaha amplifier that I have. It's a CA810. I've been trying to do that video for a very long time, and I haven't found the time to do it. So tomorrow's Saturday, today's Friday. I'll see if I can do that tomorrow for you all. But I'm trying to build my subscription database or members rather on the channel. So if you can please hit that subscription channel, I would really appreciate it. I've been struggling in raising that number. I don't think it's gonna cost you anything, but I'll tell you what. If you subscribe to my channel today, I'll subscribe to yours as well. As soon as I get the notification that you have subscribed, I'm gonna go to your channel. No matter if it's a cooking channel, I'm gonna subscribe. So how about that? Please subscribe and then support the channel. We'll try to just upload more content that is interesting about all stereos and all Wi-Fi. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by, and thank you so much. Just hit me with any question. This one is not for sale, so it's one of my equipment. Again, I mean, I got it hooked up with the whole blue line. I think I have a video out there with the whole blue line. So, but if you have any question, this is the 1250, this is the equalizer. I have to make a video about this equalizer, as a matter of fact. Probably tomorrow when I do the Yamaha. This is the amplifier, this is the sound processor, the dynamic processor, and then this is the feature of today, the Pioneer cassette deck CTF 750. Again, let me know if you have any question. Appreciate you stopping by, and please subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.